Can you grab the stool from my bedroom?
You want me taller?
Yeah, the difference in our height is too much.
Andrew, am I that short now?
A little bit.
Oh, I'm shrinking then. Then I'm gonna be so tall.
She's too tall now. Okay, never mind. Hey everybody, I'm Gunnarolla and I'm here today with...
His mom.
And we're back with another Loblaw Canadian Food Trend. This month, we're taking a Thanksgiving tradition and preparing it with a twist. Now in our household, we don't actually do turkey, we do
chicken.
We do chicken. We don't just do chicken, we do Indonesian style satay chicken. So what is satay?
A satay chicken is the chicken, you cut it kind of square small, and you put in this skewer, and you put peanut butter sauce.
That's right, and for our twist, we'll be serving our satay chicken with waffles. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
See you in a minute.
It wouldn't be Thanksgiving without potatoes, so we're going to start by making a potato waffle similar to a latke. After cleaning and shredding our potatoes, we're going to add onions and salt and pepper. Our mixture has to be dry, so we're going to remove all the excess liquid and then add 2 beaten eggs. Let's put this all into our waffle iron and cook it until it's golden brown. For the sauté chicken, we need to start by creating a marinade called ketchup manis, or sweet soy sauce. We're going to take President's Choice crunchy peanut butter and mix it together with sweet soy sauce. Our secret ingredient is shallots.
Make sure it's shallot, not onion. That's it.
Next, we're going to slice our skinless, boneless chicken breast into cubes. Mix them with our ketchup manis and let everything sit for 15 minutes. Now we're going to place the chicken onto bamboo skewers and fire up the grill. If your chicken starts sticking to the grill, you might want to add more oil. Today we're using President's Choice hazelnut oil to bring out all those nutty flavors. Let's set our skewers aside and prepare our dipping sauce. It's going to be similar to ketchup manis, but we're going to change the ratio and add more peanut butter. This isn't an exact science, so it's up to you to decide which ratio you'd like. Now let's assemble our dish. Potato waffles with satay chicken on top and additional ketchup manis for dipping. It's Thanksgiving, Indonesian style.
So, here we go. Our chicken satay, traditional Indonesian dish with our potato waffle, a Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah, when you have friends, lots is coming over, everybody can have one stick at a time.
Okay. Yeah, I guess it's not really just a Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah, you get together. Thanksgiving, you thank you for everything.
And I'm thankful for this chicken, so let's give it a try. How do you say bon appetit in Indonesian?
Guten appetit.
No, in Indonesian.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan, here we go.
Yummy.
That peanut butter sauce is amazing.
Especially when you buy it from Loblaw's. The quality, not quantity.
She's working for her check. That's
I'm looking
amazing
for small
together.
one.
That crispy potato waffle. So there you go, our twist on a traditional Thanksgiving meal in our household. We had satay chicken with potato waffle. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Cool. Very hard work. I appreciate now how much work it takes. All right, well, thanks for helping out. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
À la prochaine.